Dear, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to get clear mode on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to get clear mode on TikTok. Click on the TikTok app and select video which you want to see in a clear mode. Press and hold this video and you can see here options save video and after that clear display or you can see option of clear mode. I am recording this video, that's why it is unable. Like this you can see also screen recording detected, that's why it is unable. When you are using this app, click on this clear display or clear mode. When you click on this, then all the options that are looking in corners of this video like comment and arrow, this will be cut off and your whole video will be shown in front of you in clear mode. Thank you so much, that is amazing, and try to apply this on your videos. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.